Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karozgi Orchid School. I am Pooja Rajmane. I am your computer teacher. In last period, we discussed the different primitive. Which primitives we discuss? We will see here first. We will discuss how to open the MS logo. Click on the start button, then all program, and then MS or Microsoft Windows logo. It having different parts, which are the output screen or graphics window, then commander window, and then turtle. Next one is different primitives. First one is a forward primitive for drawing the line, then right command. Right command means what? To go to the right side. Next one is a left command, go to the left side. Then home command. What is the use of home command? To take the cursor to the starting position. Next one is clear text, CT, clear the recall list box. Clear text is useful for clear the recall list box. And clear screen means CS. What is the use of CS? Clear the output screen or graphics window. Next one, time command. By using time command, we can see current day, date and time. How to save the file? Click on the file button, then click on the save, then select the part where we want to save, and then afterwards give the file name, and last step is click on the save button. Next one is by. By using by command, we can exit from the logo program. How to draw a square? Square having 4 same size. That's why the FD is same for all that time. Then first one is FD 100, RT90, FD 100, RT90, FD 100, RT90, and last step is FD 100. Now we discuss how to draw the rectangle. FD 100, then RT90, FD 50. Why here FD 50? Because we want to draw a rectangle. That's why first time FD big and then afterwards FD small. FD 100, RT90, FD 50, RT90, FD 100, RT90, FD 50, RT90. Clear everyone? Now we will solve exercise. Write the step to start the MSW logo program. What is the steps to write the steps to start the MSW logo program? Click on the start button, then programs, and then Microsoft Windows logo. Next one is what is a command? What is meant by command? Command means primitives. Command means primitives. And what is the use of these commands? It is necessary to know all of them to draw in a logo. What is the use of command? To draw in a logo. And there are different commands are there. What is the turtle? What is turtle? Turtle is inside the output screen there is a small triangle, it's called turtle. What is meant by turtle? Inside the output screen there is a small triangle, it's called as a turtle. Where do you type the command on the logo screen? Fourth one question, where do you type the commands on the logo screen? Where we write? Yes, in the input box. In the input box, where we type the commands in the input box. And last one, name the parts of logo screen. What is the name of the parts of logo screen? The output screen, the graphics window, the commander window having two sections, input box, recall list box, and last one is turtle. Clear? Now we will solve skill sheet of this chapter. Open your skill sheet, page number 26. Open your skill sheet, page number 26. What is the first one? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The dash window consists of recall list box and input box. Which window having recall list box and input box? Good. Commander window. What is the spelling of commander? COMMANDER. Commander window having recall list box and input box. Write down fast. COMMANDER. Commander. Next one. The small triangle inside the logo screen is called. The small triangle inside the logo screen is called. Yes, it's called turtle. 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 Third one. Dash is a simple program used to draw figure. Which one is a simple program? Logo. LOGO. Logo is a simple program used to draw figures. Next one, D1. Dash command hide the turtle from the screen. If you want to hide the turtle from the screen, then which command is useful? Yes, HT command. HT, hide turtle. HT command hide the turtle from the screen. Inside the question there is answer only. Now last one, fill in the blanks. The commands are typed in the dash box. Where we type the commands? In the input box. INPUT, input box. Now everyone read with me. Everyone fast read with me. The commander window consists of recall list box and input box. The commander window consists of recall list box and input box. The small triangle inside the logo screen is called turtle. Logo is a simple program used to draw figures. HT command hide the turtle from the screen. HT command hide the turtle from the screen. The commands are typed in the input box. The commands are typed in the input box. Now we will see second number question. State true or false. State true or false. What is the first one? We can type logo command in capital or small letter. We can type logo command in capital or small letter. We can write capital or small letter. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. The answer is true. TRUE, true. The answer is true. Then second one, we need not leave space between the commands and the number of steps. Means there is no need to write to give the space between the commands and the number of steps. Means FD 100, there is no need to write space between that FD and between 100. It is true? No, it is false. FALSE, false. Then third one, FD primitives move the turtle forward. FD primitive is useful for move the turtle to the forward. It is good or bad? Means it is true or false? FD command move the turtle to the forward. It is true. TRUE, true. CL primitives clear the logo screen. CL primitive clear the logo screen. It is true? No, it is false. Then which command clear the screen? CS command used to clear the screen. Then next one, RT commands move the turtle towards the left. RT commands move the turtle towards the left. RT towards the left. It is right? No. RT command is useful for move the turtle to the right side only. And LT command is useful for move the turtle to the left side. Then it is false. Last one. It is essential to press the enter key or execute button after typing the primitives. When we type the primitive in the input box, then after typing for execution, enter key or execute key pressing, it is very important thing. It is true? Yes, it is true. Answer is true. We will see. We will read from the first number. We can type input command in capital or small letter. True. We need not leave space between a command and the number of steps. False. FD primitive move the turtle forward. True. CL primitive clear the logo screen. False. CT commands move the turtle towards the left. False. Last one. It is essential to press the enter key or execute button after pressing the primitive. It is true. Write down fast. Now third one question answer. What is the third one question? Write the program to draw the figure as shown below and then type the commands to verify output. Means firstly we have to write the programs and then for verifying we have to type the program in the logo screen. Firstly we have to write this L shape. Then how to draw? Firstly LT 90, then FD 100, then RT 90, then FD 150. Why? Because the size is different. That's why FD 150. And then last one is only this one. Okay. What is the first one? LT 90, FD 100, RT 90, FD 150. You can see turtle there? No. Then we can write which command for hide the turtle? HT command for hide the turtle. LT 90, FD 100, RT 90, FD 150. Then this second one we have to write this S shape but in a square. How to draw it? First one is LT 90, then FD 100, then RT 90, then FD 70, then RT 90, then FD 100, then LT 90, FD 70, LT 90, FD 100. This space is not enough for writing this full program. That's why firstly draw a line between this. Draw one single line by using scale and afterwards write LT 90, FD 100, RT 90, FD 70, RT 90, FD 100, LT 90, FD 70, LT 90, FD 100. For drawing this shape, second one shape. And what is the program for the first one? LT 90, FD 100, RT 90, FD 150. Clear till here? Write down fast. Now we will see next one. Next one is match the following. What is the first one? Column A, full form is there and short forms also there. Full form and short form. We have to join this full form with short form. Don't draw the lines for this joining. Downside answer is there. A, we have to write answer of A in front of A. What is the first one? Show turtle. What is the short form of show turtle? From here S, from here T, S, T. Where is the ST then? HT, CT, DK, RT, CS, FD, LT, ST. Where is the ST? Downside. Then what is the number? 81. In front of A, we have to write here 8. Clear? Show turtle ST. Now next one, hide turtle. From here H, from here T. H, T. Where is the HT? Yes, first one. Then in front of B, we will write here first. Then forward, F, D. Forward. What is the short form of forward? F, D. Where is the FD then? Here, FD. What is the number? 6th one. Then in front of C, we will write 6. In front of C, we will write 6. Now, next one, back. B, K. Back. Where is the BK? Third one. And this one is D1. Then in front of D, we will write 3. BK. Now write RT. RT. Where is the RT? Fourth one RT. And this number is E. In front of E, we will write fourth one. Then F1 left. LT. Where is the spelling of LT? LT. What is the number here then? 7. Then we will write in front of F7. Then second last, clear screen, CS, clear screen, CS. Where is the CS? Here. What is the number? Fifth one. Then in front of G we will write fifth. And what is the last one? Clear text, CT, clear text, city, clear text. Where is the city then? Second one. Then in front of H we will write second. Write them fast. What is the first one? Show turtle, ST, hide turtle, HT, forward, FD, back, BK, right, RT, left, LT, clear screen, CS, clear screen, CS, and clear text, CT, clear text, CT. Clear everyone? Write down fast. Answer of A is 8. Answer of B is first one. Answer of C is 6th one. Answer of D is third one. Answer of E is fourth one. Answer of F is seventh one. Answer of G is fifth one. Answer of H is second one. Write down fast. Now, if you are not complete with me, then don't take tension. I will send you PDF. That time complete your skill sheet. Skill sheet completion is compulsory. Now we will solve fifth one question. What is the fifth one question? Label the parts of MSW logo screen. We have to label the parts of MSW logo. What is the name? What is the parts? First one. What is the first one? Menu bar. MENU. Menu bar. BAR. Menu bar. What is the first one? Menu bar. Write down fast. Menu bar. Where is the menu bar? The file, bitmap, set, zoom, help. These are the menu bar. These all together are called as the menu bar. Now second one. Title bar. Title bar. And title bar also having these three buttons. What do you call these three buttons? Minimize, maximize and close button. What do you call this all together? Yes, control buttons. Control button downside also different and upper side is different. First one is a menu bar, then title bar, menu bar, title bar, then graphics window, where we can see the output. It is called as the graphics window. GRAPHICS, graphics window. WINDOW, graphics window. Then small triangle you can see it is called as a turtle. Good. Turtle, turtle. Turtle, turtle. Then next one, control buttons. Where is the control buttons? Head, trash, these are the 6 buttons you can see. These buttons are called as a control buttons. Control buttons. Now input box. Downside is the input box. Then upper side the input box. What is the name of this box? Downside is input box and upper side is recall list box. Upper side is recall list box, and recall list box and input box all together are called as a commander window. COMMANDER, commander window. WINDOW, commander window. Write down fast. What is the 5th one question? Label the parts of a MSW logo screen. First one is menu bar. MENU, menu, BAR, menu bar. This question you having on page number 27. Match the pairs, and this page, this second number question, same page. MENU, menu bar, BAR. Then next one, TITLE, title, BAR, title bar. Next one, GRAPHICS, graphics, WINDOW, graphics window. The small triangle on the screen, it is called as a turtle. TURTLE, turtle. What is the use of graphics window? Yes, graphics window. By using graphics window, we can see the output. That's why this window is also called as a output window. What is the use of turtle? Turtle shows the position where we are. What is the use of title bar? Title bar displays the name of program. What is the use of menu bar? Menu bar having different menu. By using that menu we can save, open the file. Next one is the control buttons. CONTROL, control buttons. There are 6 control buttons. Next one is the input box. What is the use of input? If you want to give any input, if you want to write anything, then by using input box we can write it. Next one, recall list box. In input box we can write only one single line. Then if you want to type the second line, then first line will display in a recall list box. And last one is a commander window. COMMANDER, commander, WINDOW, commander window. Input box and recall list box all together are called as the commander window. Now remaining part we will see in next period. Then what is the homework for you? Read the chapter, underline the hard words and try to complete the skill sheet. Till that time, take care. Thank you.